Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Asana reporting with portfolio and custom metrics, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Asana reporting with portfolio and custom metrics, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the portfolio section from the sidebar menu. Select the portfolio you want to analyze or create a new one if necessary. Click on the Add Projects button to include the relevant projects linked to your goals. Ensure that each project has the correct tasks assigned to it for accurate reporting. Next, review the project progress indicators displayed in the portfolio view. Check the completion percentages for each project to assess their status at a glance. To enhance your reporting, create custom fields in your projects as needed. Go to one of your projects and click on the Customize button at the top right corner. Select Add Custom Field to introduce metrics that are relevant to your reporting needs. Define each custom field, providing clear names and choosing the appropriate field type. Once your custom fields are set, update them regularly to reflect the current status of tasks. Return to the portfolio view and click on Customize again to include your custom fields. Select the custom fields you created to display them within the portfolio. Now, analyze how each project is performing against your custom metrics. Pay attention to any discrepancies between the project statuses and the custom fields. For deeper insights, export your portfolio data using the Export feature. Choose to export the data to a CSV file for further manipulation and analysis. Using Excel, analyze the data by creating graphs or pivot tables if required. Review the trends observed in the exported data against the original portfolio view. Adjust your project strategies based on the insights gained from your analysis. Continue to refine your custom fields and metrics based on ongoing project needs. Repeat this verification process periodically to ensure data accuracy and relevancy. Leverage the insights to improve project management within your Asana environment. This completes your guide on how to verify Asana reporting with portfolio and custom metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.